going to talk about Cere Network. Cere Network is a decentralized data and finance cloud for enterprises. Okay, so Cere's features is delivering fast-track consumer enterprise adoption through decentralized data clouds, data interoperability with SaaS-DeFi software as service, working with businesses that already have millions of loyal users. Now, Cere's DDC, which is known as Decentralized Data Cloud platform, is the next gen Snowflake. Okay, so what Snowflake is basically is a cloud computing based data warehousing company, which is centralized, right? So it has a cloud-based data storage. It offers company that and analytics service. So all the data warehousing of anything, which is a first party as well, which is good, right? So Cere wants to be a decentralized version of Snowflake. But the whole problem stems, which I want you guys to understand, that if you look at the Cere's Network vision paper, the root of the problem is that big tech, the modern giant technology companies led by the big five, the big five, not five eyes, but the big five: Amazon, Apple, Alphabet, Google, Microsoft, and Facebook, have entrenched themselves as the middlemen for access to an exchange of third-party customer data. These five companies alone have hauled in a staggering USD 900 billion of revenue in 2019. And if you add it with Salesforce, Oracle, and all those, you're looking at a total of USD 1 trillion or annual GDP of countries such as Indonesia, Mexico, and Spain. And these big five maintain their dominant position of data brokers by collecting data across all of their services from consumers and businesses alike. Then they use the hoarded data to sell access to consumers back to the business. Application owners and developers are locked into their walled gardens and are tethered to poor interoperability and high dependence. Big tech exposes their customers to risk related to privacy, compliance, and security, right? And businesses and developers are frustrated and infuriated, right, because of all these things, right? Because they're tired of these data oligopolies, and vested interest, and they need that decentralized web. Let me show you how it looks in that illustration. If I show you, for example, if you look at this, a lot of these developers that make apps and all that, for example, if some developer makes an app in iOS, to get into iOS firstly is so difficult, and you got to play by their rules. It's high fees, right? And all these things, all these ads that these apps are capturing, it goes to the big tech. So if an app on iOS, all the data goes to Apple, and they are holding all the all the data, which lacks privacy and no data ownership, and is expensive for businesses, to store their data and to analyze their data, and it's third party, and they can sell their data to anyone. You won't know, right? Anything. What Cere wants to do is Cere is a secure first-party customer data solution built around privacy, security, and interoperability from the ground up. Okay, and Cere's solutions allow businesses to create and grow their own decentralized data clouds, rather than hand the data and money over to third-party customer data platforms. And it allows stakeholders to own their data with 100% control over who can use it and for what purpose in any particular context. Businesses are currently paying expensive SaaS contracts and handing their data to tech giants such as Salesforce, Microsoft, and all that, to provide them with data management solutions. And these things are elevating their siloed data platform to even stronger position of power, who in turn reward them with additional fees to accept apps and solutions that are built on top of their platform. Reward them, and you're going to pay more just to access the apps and solutions. So it's It's not fair, right? I don't like this big tech. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I don't like that, right? And I try to bring projects that are decentralized. I try to bring projects, of course, not all of them, but at least some of them that allow the small guy, you know, a piece of the pie, right? So, with Cere, businesses large and small can have their own decentralized data clouds, supplanting inadequate and expensive enterprise solutions with their own like Nightforce or Expedia Force or whatever XYZ Force, right? So, I like this, where the middleman is taken out and the company can directly have a decentralized platform and can access their data and do all these kind of things, right? So I'm going on and on, but I just want you to know the context and the premise of all these things and where it stems from, so you understand that the solution that Sears is offering is a fantastic solution, which is why I like this project. And I want to share with you another thing. So it doesn't stop there, right? So that's one thing. So your layer one, okay, where your core layer, you have the Cere and the enterprise chains and the foundation. And the layer two is a substrate, private networks for scalability and interoperability, right? So what they are telling you is that in layer one, whatever apps are built, whatever companies who are on board on layer one, they enjoy that enterprise chain and enjoy that data management and that secure layer and that anonymity, and where they can plug the data, the first party data, and can share with the right people. So if they don't want to share certain things, they don't have to, right? So they have that flexibility for that. But on top of that, guys, they are opening a world of DeFi to these companies to go and invest and buy stuff and put money in the liquidity pools and get that APYs and get that interest and come back, and giving them that layer of security and anonymity and that peace of mind, which is what I think makes this a great project, guys. I need you to research on this, right? Don't listen to whatever I say. I'm a crypto head. I do this every day. I sleep, drink, eat, breathe, shit crypto. So I think you should take a look at this. The team, I like the team. Look at this. Okay, these guys, like this guy is a co-founder. Okay, he's a tech lead at Twitch. He was a tech lead at Twitch and Amazon, right? So these guys are great. Like another one of this guy, head of PR, previously head of marketing at OBUS, right, a crypto company, right, and head of PR at multiple Binance-backed blockchain projects, right. So they have that experience to bring onto the table, and their advisors, like one of this is previous ex-Salesforce COO. So guys, this is a good project. I want you to look at it, and they already raised $5 million. Not a small amount. So their money inflows. Another thing that I want to show you, that they will be charging people for their to use their platform. So companies can come in and they will be charging money for companies to use their platform and pull data and store the data securely over there. The other thing that I want to show, I want to explain, I'll share with you, is that just this very quickly, the Cere token will be used to power its decentralized data cloud and fuel Cere's open data marketplace that allows for trustless data sharing. So there is going to be a marketplace where people can share data, without fear of that data being hacked, and it shares among businesses and external data specialists, as well as staking and governance. So what is supposed to be shared is shared, only the relevant data, whatever, ID numbers and all that, if taken, or whatever, email addresses, that is not shared, you don't have to share it. That's what I like about this. And also one more thing is that the company said it's working with a number of Fortune 1000 customers, so they're onboarding people already, big companies already, So they are going to have a public sale. This one I'll put the link below for you. They're going to have one on the 8th of April on Republic, and then 15th April on DAO Maker, and April 19th on PokerStarter. So now if you are holding the platform tokens for PokerStarter and DAO Maker, then this then you might want to do it as well. But I'm going for the one that is on Republic. So if you're going on the one on Republic, it's on the April 8th, and you need to register for your Republic account, right? So it's easy. All you need to do is to just go and let me just click here and let me just show you the page. So you go to this page, republic.co, you sign up for an account, right? You create an account, you do your KYC, it's important. And then you need to go to their Telegram. Actually, you know what? You can just go to their Telegram and there's a bot. So we go to Telegram and there's a CereBot, right? The CereBot, I can see here, right? And so what you do is this bot will help you to register. You press start, and then it says it asks you to register. After that, you register, then you join this Cere Network official, their Telegram channel. I think this is a prerequisite. You have to do that. And after that, you click register here. Okay, so once you click register here, it will bring you to that page. Earlier I showed you the republic.co page where you need to log in and you need to do a KYC. So that KYC will require you to go to my profile settings and your personal details, and then upload your passport, and then if you are US and Canada citizen, you can upload your ID. Right after that, after your identity is verified by Republic, you can post the URL of your profile here, and then they will check. Republic will check if your KYC has been completed and verified. Right. So yeah, I'll post the links below so it's easy for you. And please like, please share, please subscribe to my channel. If you want to grow my channel, please hit the notification icon so every time I upload some new content, you'll be notified. Right. So thank you once again, and namaste. Please support me to grow my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.